Sonu Sood involved in 20 crore tax evasion, says Income Tax Department. The authorities' continued probe into Sonu Sood comes after it launched action against the 48-year-old actor and some people linked to him on September 15. The Income Tax (IT) Department has said Bollywood actor Sonu Sood is involved in tax evasion of over 20 crore, NDTV reported on 18 September. On 17 September, Money Control reported the IT department had widened its tax evasion probe against Sood by raiding multiple premises in Mumbai, Nagpur and Jaipur. The authorities' continued probe comes after it launched action against the 48-year-old actor and people linked to him on September 15. ANI quoted its sources as saying that initial probes have revealed that Sood allegedly violated provisions of the Foreign Contributions Regulation Act (FCRA). Documents found during searches showed he received large amounts of foreign contributions, which were spent for other means, ANI sources added. On 15 September, action was carried out in at least half a dozen locations in the metropolitan city and Lucknow. Official sources said a real estate deal and some other financial transactions linked to Sood are also under the IT department scanner. Sood grabbed national spotlight for helping migrants reach their home states during the nationwide lockdown in 2020 in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. He was most recently in the news after the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal-led Delhi government declared Sood brand ambassador of the It's Desh Ka Mentors program, under which students will be guided in making their career choices. Following reports of the IT department officials surveying the actor's house in Mumbai, Kejriwal, who is also chief of the Aam Aadmi Party, came out in his support. There are millions of difficulties on the path of truth, but the truth always wins. With Sonu Sood ji, there are prayers of lakhs of families of India who got Sonu ji's support in difficult times. He tweeted, tagging a news report of the IT department action.